Let's look at Chapter 3, Lesson 8, Spiral Review. The first part is Data Analysis and Probability. You spin a spinner numbered 1 through 12. Write impossible or certain on what the results would be. Number 1. The result is a number greater than 12. Well, the spinner is only 1 through 12, so this would be impossible. The result is a number from 1 to 12. Well, the spinner's 1 through 12, so this would be certain. The result is either even or odd. Well, numbers are only even or odd when they're the whole numbers, and we're working with whole numbers 1 through 12. So this would also be certain. The result is the number of days in a month. Well, we're working with numbers 1 through 12, so I know that there's usually about 30 or 31 days in a month. So this would be impossible. So again, we're working with the spinner that's 1 through 12. We need to figure out which result is more likely and circle it. The result is a number less than 10, or the result is a multiple of 12. So I know that numbers 1 through 9 would be my option here, and that number 6 and number 12 would be my only options here. So I know that this one is more likely to happen. The result is a multiple of 11, or the result is greater than 3. So if it's a multiple of 11, it can only be 11. Or if the result is greater than 3, it can be 4 through 12. Which means that this one is more likely to occur if I spin it. The result is your age in years, or the result is less than your age in years. So most 4th graders are 9 or 10. So the result is your age in years, so it's either 9 or 10. Or the result is less than your age in years, which means all the numbers less than how old you are. Which means this has a greater possibility of happening. It's more likely. Let's look at the geometry section where we need to either write triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, or none of them. So let's figure out what that means. A triangle has 3 sides. We know that by looking at the prefix tri. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, and we know that by looking at quad. A pentagon has 5 sides, and we can look at pent to know that it's 5. And then none of them would be anything that's not 3, 4, or 5-sided. So let's count the sides for each one to figure out what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's none. Because I need 3, 4, 5-sided figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be a pentagon. 1, 2, 3 is a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is none. Remember, I'm only looking for 3, 4, or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a quadrilateral.